What if some of the most famous facts you've believed your entire life were never true at all? What if capybaras aren't actually peaceful? What if dinosaurs were never cold-blooded monsters? And what if one of the most famous things humans say you can see from space can't actually be seen at all? Oh dear. Today on Mystical Earthlings, we're uncovering 5 myths about animals and Earth that millions of people still believe, even though science has already proven them wrong. And trust me, the final myth is one almost everyone learned in school. The internet has officially crowned the capybara as Earth's chillest animal. You've seen the videos, capybaras relaxing in hot springs, sitting beside crocodiles, allowing birds and monkeys to climb all over them. People say they've mastered inner peace. But scientists and animal behavior experts say something much darker may be happening. In stressful situations, capybaras often freeze instead of fleeing. And to humans, that frozen stress response looks calm. That means the animal the internet turned into a symbol of emotional balance may sometimes actually be overwhelmed. Now, that doesn't mean capybaras are secretly miserable all the time. They are social and generally gentle creatures. But this idea that they're enlightened Zen masters, that part may be a myth humans projected onto them. And honestly, humans do this a lot. We see stillness and assume peace. But sometimes silence is survival. For decades, movies portrayed dinosaurs as giant, sluggish reptiles, cold-blooded, slow, lizard-like monsters. But modern science completely flipped that idea upside down. Researchers now believe many dinosaurs were warm-blooded, more similar to birds than reptiles. In fact, birds are technically living dinosaurs. Some dinosaurs likely had feathers. Some hunted with incredible speed, and many may have maintained stable body temperatures like mammals do, which changes everything. Instead of giant, lazy reptiles, imagine intelligent, active, warm-bodied creatures dominating Earth millions of years ago. And spiritually, there's something fascinating about this. For millions of years, humanity misunderstood ancient giants buried beneath our feet. Makes you wonder how many other truths are hidden in plain sight right now. This myth is absolutely everywhere. People say if sharks stop swimming, they die. Sounds terrifying, doesn't it? But it's only partially true. Some sharks, like great whites, do need constant movement to force oxygen-rich water through their gills. But many others? Not at all. Nurse sharks, wobbegongs, and several other species can rest motionless on the ocean floor for hours, just completely still. Some even pump water through their gills while resting. So, the image of sharks as unstoppable killing machines constantly roaming the ocean, that's mostly Hollywood. And maybe there's another lesson hidden here too. Not every powerful creature needs constant motion. Sometimes even apex predators rest. Swans, penguins, eagles, humans absolutely love calling these animals symbols of eternal loyalty. But science discovered something pretty surprising. Many mate-for-life animals are only socially monogamous. That means they raise families together, protect nests together, but genetically, well, there's often cheating involved. Bird DNA studies revealed that extra-partner mating happens far more than people realized. Nature, it turns out, is complicated. Animals aren't following human relationship rules. They're following survival strategies. And strangely, there's something freeing about that realization. Nature doesn't obsess over perfection. It adapts, it survives, it evolves. Maybe the universe was never designed to fit neatly into human expectations. Almost everyone learned this in school. The Great Wall of China is the only man-made object visible from space. Except NASA astronauts say that's not true. The wall is simply too narrow and blends too well into the surrounding landscape. In fact, highways, airports and city lights are often easier to spot from orbit. One of humanity's most repeated facts wasn't actually factual. And that's kind of incredible when you think about it. Entire generations repeated something simply because everyone else repeated it, which raises a bigger question. How many beliefs are we carrying right now simply because we inherited them? Now, that's something to ponder, right? Nature is full of mysteries, but sometimes the biggest mystery is realizing how wrong humans can be about the world around us. Which myth shocked you the most? Tell us in the comments below. And if you love uncovering hidden truths about animals, spirituality, nature, and the mysteries of Earth, make sure to subscribe to Mystical Earthlings, because a huge percentage of viewers watching right now still aren't subscribed. Thank you for being here with us, and until next time, stay curious, my dear Earthling.